Hello, this is Christopher, and I finally attained 2021 Topps Chrome Hobby Box. Yes, a regular hobby box, but nonetheless, a whole hobby box. It has 2 autographs in here, 24 packs, 4 cards per pack. Oh, let me zoom out there a little bit. So here's what the box looks like. You probably saw it before, but not too often because it's so expensive this year. But it wasn't on Black Friday, so I got a really good deal on it. And so let's see what we get. Let's see what I get. Can't wait to see the shine. So let's see. Let's go like that real quick. All right. So here's all the packs. I usually take all the packs out. I don't get them out of the box. So I don't even know why I put that together like that. So I take them out of the box like this. And I just put the box up. So there. There you go. I'll just put that there. All right. So here are all the packs. See if we get any goodies in here. By gripping and ripping. 2021 Topps Chrome Baseball Hobby Box. Here we go. Finally. It's been so long since I got a hobby box of this. All right. So we have Yamaguchi, and there's a pink refractor parallel right off the bat, numbered out of 399, 60 out of 399. John Lester. Very nice. I'll put that on the parallel pile. And Mike Trout, the GOAT. Right there, the 1986 replica. 35th anniversary. And then Clayton Kershaw rounds out the first pack. Now I'm going to take my time with this because it's chrome, you know. And so if you don't have a few minutes to spare, then I don't know, just skip through. I'm going to enjoy this. So we have Brandon Lowe, Gleyber Torres, checking for refractors, Kyle Lewis. The last card is the refractor, Tejeda. No, it's not a refractor. My bad. All right. I'll check later after I'm done for refractors, just in case if I missed any. So I thought you received one in each pack, but maybe not. Maybe not. Joey Votto, even though the insert is a refractor in and of itself, but there's the first auto, Daniel Johnson. Cleveland Indians, huh? Cleveland Indians, how about that? And then Garrett Cole rounds out the pack. That's not a refractor. Let me sleeve this guy up. And boom, there he is. Rookie card, Daniel Johnson. It's not numbered, just a base auto. Man, so much stuff. All right, put the hit trolley out. Boom. There's the first hit. Not bad. All right. Next pack. LeMahieu. Nate Pearson rookie card. You start card of Randy Rosarina. I can't pronounce worth crud. And Benintendi rounds out the pack. All right. Next pack. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff. I purchased a lot of stuff on Black Friday. It's going to be a surprise. Did not do a purchases video for all the stuff I purchased. Just the one that I did, which was a little bit ago, and didn't have anything to do with Black Friday. There's a refractor right there. Refractor, okay. But I purchased a ton of stuff on Black Friday. Got a lot of good deals on Black Friday for baseball cards. Online deals, that is. A lot of online deals. Black Friday weekend, pretty much, because some sales were more than, the the Friday day itself. Voit. There's a Prism with an S. John Lester. John Lester pack box, kind of. And then Altuve. All right. Next pack. All right. Whit Merrifield. Alex Bregman. Wouldn't be a box about him. Verdugo. Refractor. Boom. Yep. And Kirillov. Focus. All right. Pack. Still looking for the other auto. Wow. Okay. Ketel Marte. Ooh, something pretty cool's coming up. There's a Steven Strasburg. Refractor. Nope. No refractor. And then Brian Braun. And then, Gleyber Torres. That's pretty cool. Venezuela. These are really nice cards. The inserts are really nice. I always love the inserts in chromium. There we go. Now make one pile. All right. So we have Rougned Odor. Gurriel Jr. Refractor of Jorge Alfaro. Come on, Chooch, pick it up a notch. And Stevenson rookie card. All right, Kevin Newman. Zach Greinke. 1986 replica of K. Brian Hayes. And Chris Davis. Rounds out the pack. All right. Wow. Cracking packs and making stacks. So we have Devin Williams, rookie cup card. Let me get on camera here. All right. David Dahl. Carlos Correa again. Seems like I pull a lot of him. There's his refractor. And then Shane Bieber. Boom. Indians. Where are my Phillies? Haven't seen Phillies. Come on. Phillies? What's up with that? All right. Brady Singer. Chris Sale. Feature star card of Brendan McKay. Very nice. And then Brandon Crawford. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. All right, Castellanos, Sanchez, refractor of Cronenworth, rookie cup card. She's a Shine McShine. And then Dean Kramer, rookie card for the Orioles. All right. Wow. Not used to opening so many packs of this because I've been opening retail the past couple years and maybe a jumbo hobby pack here and there. There's another Prism with an S, not a Z. Campusano, rookie card. And then Giancarlo Stanton. Yeah, so wow, there's a lot of chrome packs here. Holy moly, what am I going to do? Open them all, I guess. So we have Means, Carlos Correa again. It's like third or fourth one of him. Puerto Rico, Jorge Posada. And, man, can't pronounce his name. Can't see it correctly. Need eyes checked again. So we have Eric Hosmer, Marquez, Prism with an S, Jackie Bradley Jr. And then Gonsolin with an N, Rookie Cup card. All right. Oh, finally, Bryce Harper. There he is. MVP. William Contreras and Luis Robert, feature star card. And Mark. Just Mark. Still looking for the other autograph. So we have Manny Machado, Sam Huff, refractor of Jack Flaherty, and then Blake Snell. Rounds out that pack. All right. Ooh. All right, Wilson Ramos. Ooh, check that out. Green Wave. Wow, that's a kind of a little bit of a thick card. Check that out. Ryan Yarbrough. Wee, that is awesome. 46 out of 99. That is a keeper. I'm going to sleeve that up. And boom, there he is. Ryan Yarbrough. Man, I could pronounce for the loss. 46 out of 99. All right. Boom. And then the rest of the cards in the pack. Dylan Carlson, rookie card. It's going to... Nope, it's not gonna focus. Probably need to move these over. Oh, right. Maybe, I don't know. There's Thor. All right. Still looking for the auto. Ooh, trying to be careful. The chromium, not to hurt the chromium. All right. Austin Meadows. Ooh, looks like a gold or something back there. Matt Olson. It is a gold autographed Christian Javier rookie card. Houston. And it is a low numbered autograph. 21 out of 50. Wow. Boom. Definitely going to. And boom, there he is. Numbered 21 out of 50. All right. All right. Nice low numbered card. Autograph card, no less. And Nelson Cruz. Okay, so there's the two autographs. And let's see what else we get. All right. Joey Gallo, Albert Pujols. Jake Arrieta, refractor. Paredes, rookie card. 3 packs left. 3 packs left. See if we get any more parallels. George Springer. Looks like another Prism back there. Paul Goldschmidt. Salvador Perez. Prism with an S. And Max Scherzer. Let's see this. Goldschmidt. 2011. Okay. Packs left. This is the next to last pack. Jose Abreu. Jock Peterson. Ooh. Prismic Power. Bryce Harper. Yes. Awesome. Boom. Very nice insert. Very nice insert. Dane Dunning. Okay, last pack. Let's see what we get. Man. Okay, Jose Ramirez, Christian Javier, Matt Chapman Refractor, and Kyle Lewis Rookie Cup card. All right. Sometimes I like looking at the stats on the back, but I guess I don't want to take up time on the film. But let me check here for refractors, and then I will, just to see if I missed any, and then I will go through a quick recap. I don't think I missed any, pretty sure. All right, yep, I got all of the refractors. So here are the refractors. I meant to put the first one in a sleeve, top loader. I'll do that. So we have refractors and then prisms. Refractor, Flaherty refractor, Bradley Jr. prism, Campusano prism, Cronenworth, Correa, Alfaro, Verdugo prism, means, and then a pink refractor of Lester, $3.99. There we go, $3.99. 60 out of $3.99. I just went ahead and put them in a top loader. Okay, get these over here. And then here are the inserts. Very nice inserts. It'll be pretty tough to collect all the inserts because there's a ton of these, but not many of these and these. I only received 2 of the foreign country ones, or whatever you call them, where they're from, Venezuela. So it'll be pretty tough to collect. And the goat. All right, so there's those. To go with that, and here's the other regular parallel. A nice green wave. Number 46 out of 99. Ryan Yarbrough. Okay. I couldn't read it right in the camera the first time. All right, put that there. And then received Johnson rookie card, Cleveland. Just a regular common card, or base autograph. And then this low numbered autograph of Christian Javier, rookie card, autograph, 21 out of 50. Very nice, very nice. All right. Hey, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I have the, what is it? I have the collectible card club coming up. I haven't received it yet, but I'm sure by the time these videos post, I would have received it by then. I might push it back. I might have like an extra video this coming week. You know, my usual Wednesday and Thursday. Tomorrow's video will be, I have a hobby box, actually two hobby boxes, and I'm going to open one of the Panini Chronicles. I finally was able to get a couple hobby boxes of Panini Chronicles. I'm going to open one of those tomorrow, and that will be fun. I really enjoy watching. I saw a couple videos so far of it, and there was a lot of good stuff in those boxes. Glad I got it. It was a really, really good deal on Black Friday, as I keep on saying. It's pretty sad, but it makes me kind of want to wait until Black Friday to buy all my year's worth of baseball cards all at one time, because stuff was so cheap that day. It's like, my gosh, just don't buy anything all year and buy it on Black Friday. Anyways, yeah, that'll be coming up. I'll probably push the subscription box back after that. It may be like in between, like maybe Friday or over the weekend. Who knows? So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.